Нет, мне не надо.
Можно мне, пап?
Не стоит, родная.
Пожалуйста.
Нет.
Мне не заснуть.
Ладно тебе, Фрэнк. Пусть попробует.
Скорее! Жди там! Мы тоже идем!
Спокойно, без паники!
Ой, блин, а!
Сюда! Все в зал! Проходите, не задерживайтесь! С ним все тише воды. Это триады, первые злодеи в Китае. Думаешь, ты меня испугал? Банды придумали в Лос-Анджелесе. Давай жетон. Я покажу как.
Ты в отпуске. В Гонконге я Майкл Джексон, а ты-то кто?
А я тогда Латоя. А тебе вообще съедят на обед. Дай сюда.
Нет, стой!
Отдай.
Да блин, а, хотела чихнуть, не чихнула. Когда?
Когда?
Ой! Простите. Ой, вылетел. Как
Эй,
это
время
трилогия?
идёт.
Которая современная
Почему?
трилогия.
Ничего.
7, 8,
На
9.
случай, если я вдруг не
7
вернусь.
хороший.
Хочу, чтобы ты знал, ты был мне верным
Это
другом,
последний.
Артва.
Because I've heard to stay away from it. No, I just feel like it's not that bad. I feel like people dramatize shit. Excuse me. People make it out as if you're driving through the suburb, you're just going to get robbed, you're going to get stabbed. It's just not the case. It's not the fucking case. If you go to friends me off, so I'm just going to skip the whole section. Oh, Mars. Excuse me, sorry. Time to go watch 28 Years Later. Have fun. Facet was a really good movie. Best dining out, like most diverse restaurants, or best like eating scene or something like that. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Yeah, like best dining scene, because we have oh, for fuck's sake, I need to sneeze. Oh, I'm just wasting points. I don't even get to play as the people I want to play. Oh, God. Oh, I just exploded the barrels in front of my face. Hold on, I want to... Oh, can I? Yeah, I can change it. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Okay. Better posture. Damn it, I didn't buy it.
Does it only apply to consumables?
Excuse me.
Bless you.
You know what?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
it only applies to consumables, but consumables you get in this game is
Pretty good.
pretty good.
I feel like I'm underusing my consumables then. Finished Last of Us 2 not long ago. CBF playing another zombie game right now. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm so sniffly. Is this meant to stick out like this? I'm gonna say yes. All right, second turret done. See? I knew you said use the force. And the force for people who don't really know how the streaming stuff works. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Always blaming us? Always. You would miss... Oh my God.
What are you, allergic to double-headed centipedes or something?
Probably.
You don't know that. That could be rupees. That could be rupees.
Why do you need to break them all?
I must. Don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to. All right.
It is giving